Good morning! I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a self-tan. I've never done this before, but I've wanted to do it for the longest time. And the reason I couldn't do it is because I was doing laser, and I am taking a break from my laser because I've done enough sessions, and the sessions that I have left will just be for top-ups. I will do a separate video on laser hair treatment for black girls, but today's video is about self-tanning for black girls. I'm going to talk you guys through the routine that I'm going to do, as well as the products that I use, and basically give my overall opinion at the end of the video based on the results that I get. So if you are interested in seeing how it works out, then definitely keep watching the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the brand that I'm going to be doing my self-tan with is called Cocoa Brown. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. You know I'm obsessed with pink. This is the bottle. I picked up the dark shade because I am dark skinned, so in my head it makes sense to go with at least a dark to hopefully get the type of tan that I want and the type of glow that I want. I also got their oven mitts, so these are the two products that I'm going to be using. The prices were actually very affordable. The tanning mitt cost €5.50 and the tanning product cost €6.90. In total I paid €12.40, which I think is extremely affordable. Okay, because some tanning products be costing like €50, child. So before I get into the tanning, I'm going to hop into the shower, and what I'm going to do in the shower is exfoliate. I'm going to use two products to do that. The first product I'm going to use is this Olay exfoliating body wash. I made my sister buy me this from America and bring it for me when we were in South Africa in December, because you cannot get this here in Ireland. The second product that I'm going to use to exfoliate is this Sanctuary Spa body scrub. It's the Himalayan salt one. I bought this from Boots. I think I bought it from Boots online, and absolutely love this body scrub. It leaves your skin feeling moisturized, and that is exactly what I want before I start using the tanning product. So I'm going to pop into the shower and get my exfoliating done, and then I'm going to come out and I'll show you guys what the tanning process looks like. Primark makes a really good body scrub, and it is a fraction of the price of the ones from Sanctuary. So if you want an affordable alternative, definitely get into the Primark body scrubs. Do not sleep on them because they work really well. I am fresh and clean at the shower. Hi loves, so I am back and ready to get into the self-tanning process. I'm gonna start with the easy bits first, which is my upper body. Although it says start with your lower body, so maybe I should start with my lower body. Okay, I'll start with my lower body. So I'm just gonna give the mousse a shake, and I'm gonna try to apply this as quickly as possible. This feels weird. It feels very weird, like having the glove on my right hand, but knowing that I need to use my left hand because I'm right-handed. Okay. So I did like 3 pumps. That's what it looks like, and I'm going to start with my legs, chair. I'm wondering if I should add another layer. Okay, there's a little bit of a difference actually. I can see a little tiny itty-bitty little bit of a difference. Now I'm going to go on to my arms and my chest. And I'm only going to do 1 pump because I feel like the 2 pumps was more than enough for my legs, so definitely 1 pump should be enough for my arm. I did not shave my arm. I don't shave my arm. But I do intend on getting laser done on my arm at some point. Just Not yet. And you actually can see a little bit of a difference already. Like, you can definitely see I'm more tanned here than I am, which is really exciting. Hey besties, me again, and I am all done with applying my self-tan all over my body. I don't know if you can see there's a little bit of a glow going on, but I literally applied it all over to the best of my abilities. This is what we look like. I'm very sticky at the minute. Apparently the hack is to use deodorant to stop the stickiness. So I'm gonna use this deodorant that I really don't like because it sucks, just to see if the hack really works. Well, a little less sticky, but it's not like significantly different enough for me to do this to my whole body. I ain't got time at all. What I'm gonna do now is set my timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is set my time for 1 hour. I'm actually gonna do my face and my hair while I'm waiting because I am heading out. And then I will hop into the shower in an hour and a half, depending on how much time I actually have to get ready. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. And I will come back when I'm out of the shower and y'all can see. Actually, I'll come back before I head into the shower and y'all can see what I look like before I head into the shower, and then I'll be back again after I come out of the shower so you can see like the whole process and how it develops over time, okay? But yeah, I feel like I'm looking glowy. I feel like I'm looking tanned already, and I'm very excited to see the end results. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 14:11.
14:11. So that means I've had this tan on for an hour and 15 minutes, and this is basically what I look like now. I am gonna hop into the shower and wash it off, and then I will come back and show you guys the final look and what I'm gonna do post washing the tan off, okay? And for this shower, I'm not gonna use my any of the exfoliating products. I'm not even gonna use the gloves. It's just gonna be my hands and some soap or shower gel. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it. Hey besties, so I am back and this is what I look like post taking a shower. I have not moisturized my skin, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use. The first two products I'm gonna apply is this Body Shop body butter. This is the strawberry one. Absolutely love strawberry. And then I've got this Shea Tribe Shea Butter. Ooh, child, I'm gonna need you to focus. But this is what it looks like. It's literally just a shea butter. So I mix up the two products, and that is what I'm going to use to moisturize my body. And then once that's done and I let that sink in, I'm going to go with some SPF. The one that I'm using is an SPF 50, which I got from Lidl. And it's really, really affordable. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it's like about €5 or something. And it's a big bottle. This has lasted me a really long time, and I can use it all over my entire body, including my face, unless I'm doing something where I'm going to be active and I'm going to perspire, because this will drip and get into your eyes, and it is not a nice experience at all. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to moisturize my body and then just make sure that I am nice and moisturized. But I do feel like the tan took. I do feel like I'm golden and, you know, it looks nice. What I will mention is that I did go in with the second coat of the mousse after I did the first coat, I just went in with a little bit more to do a second coat, but not as much as I did for the first. Hey besties, so I'm back and I'm in my outfit. Unfortunately, this is not a wide zoom or widescreen lens, so there's only so much you can see, but this is what I look like. I'm definitely glowing, the glower, and yeah, I do feel like the next tan that I buy is gonna have to be something darker than that because I do want it to be more prominent a little bit. But I'm golden. I'm basically golden. I'm looking at my legs in the mirror and ooh child. I know that's right. But y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. If you like me, just subscribe. Okay. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.